just roads run. A young man dreamed beneath the burning sun. He traveled far across the ocean blue, searching for a life and the dream come true. Then one day in London town, a smile from a stranger turned his world around. Different faith, different name, but the love in their hearts burned the same flame. They said it would never work, they said they never understand. But love don't care where you're from, love just takes your hand. One love, one heart, one family, that's the way the world was meant to be. Different colors, different ways we pray, but kindness lights the darkest day. One love, one voice, one humanity, living together in harmony. If we listen and learn from one another, every stranger becomes a sister or brother. The daughter grew, learning every lesson that the parents knew. Respect every person, every faith, every race. See the human heart before the face. Then she found a man with a different belief, but love brought joy instead of grief. Now their children laugh and play, learning every path that leads the way. Some read the Bible, some read the Quran, some read the Torah, yet love is the song. Sister or brother. Too many walls casting shadows, too many hearts torn apart. Thunder rolls across the nations, trying to drown the truth we are. Lay down the fear and the fury, let compassion rise like the dawn. Where division built its fences, love will tear them down and carry us on.
Shine your light tonight.
One love, one family,
that's the way the world was meant to be.
hand in hand across